Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing an IPSY unbagging, and let me pull this out of here. If you're not familiar with IPSY, it is a monthly subscription and you get 5 deluxe or sample size like beauty products, makeup. Sometimes you get hair care, and it's for $10 a month. And you get a cute little bag every month, and every time it'll be a different bag. And this one's really cute, and it feels like, not like plastic, but like a good material, and it has like little stamps on it from around the around the world, and then a little IPSY logo on it. All right, let me open this up. And the card this month says, "Go There, May 2018. It says, "Hey Ipster, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city." All right, I'm not gonna read the rest because there is a lot, and I don't want this video to be too long. The first product I see, I've heard so much about this. This is Briogeo Rosarco milk. Oh, yes. And I would put this in my hair right now, but my hair is already dry, and you're supposed to put it in there when it's damp. The second item that I see is by Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the IPSY Unzipped Long-Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And it has a doe foot applicator on it, and I will be trying these on after I empty my whole bag. And this is Max Lash Volumizer Mascara by Douce. I don't know how to say that. It's not, yeah. So we will see. The next item I see is by Hebe. It is a moisturizer with microalgae lavender. The next item, the last item I see, I'm so excited to get this. It is by Tarte, and it is the Smooth Operator. And this is an Amazonian clay finishing powder. This should be really awesome. And I'll be trying this on in just a second. This says, "Skincare so natural, it's safe enough to eat." And I wanted to say that this smells really good. Kind of like a furniture cleaner, but like in a good way. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Tarte. I don't even know what, Nanette Lepore brush.
It's a powder brush.
What? Yeah? Sorry, it's my baby. Can't use the Rosarco milk right now, but I can smell it and see how it is. It smells pretty good. Oh, it smells really good. I really like this. I'll let you guys know how again, it is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in IPSY Unzipped. I like this color. Look at that. Okay, so pretty. I wonder if it dries down. And it kind of smells like Nyx. Not a bad smell. All right, that is what I have for you guys today. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know about your IPSY bag and what you guys got. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure if you subscribe, you hit the little bell icon. That'll let you know whenever I upload videos. Thanks, bye-bye.